Welcome to the Top Gun Show. Today we have Daniel Pitney with Star2Star, our strategic partner director out of Colorado Springs,
That's right.
Denver area. Before that, he was at Rise Broadband in the channel for 5 years or so, and so about 8 years in the channel. That's a long time.
Yeah, I'm getting there.
Yeah, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me. I'm happy to be here.
You've been wanting to be on the show for a while.
Yeah,
You finally made it.
yeah, it wasn't my first request, but persistence paid off.
So what attracted you to join the team at Star2Star?
Without a doubt, it was the product and the architecture designed for reliability and call quality, right? And in the VoIP world, we've been trying to do this for 40 years to get off the PSTN and into VoIP. And the folks at Star2Star, they really believe that the path forward is reliability and call quality. So we designed that into our product.
Yeah, that very unique architecture with Star2Star. Very, very different from any other UCaaS provider. But just in a nutshell, what makes Star2Star so unique?
Sure, great question. So, as I mentioned, Star2Star is very enthusiastic about the importance of reliability and call
Right.
quality. And so what that requires is the ability to look at the entire call path and to own the quality of service throughout that session, right? So if you have the endpoints, which I think the industry's done really well, right,
Yeah.
with the cloud and the endpoint, and what really separates Star2Star from the rest of the pack is our ability to complete those connections at the LAN level and at the wide area networking level to make sure that the customer just has bulletproof communications.
Yeah, you kind of are doing SD-WAN for hosted before anyone ever heard of SD-WAN. So it's a really fascinating technology that
Thank you.
Star2Star has. So because of that technology, where are you guys finding yourself winning most of the time?
You know, I would say those mission critical applications in retail for point of sale, so massively multi-site retail, medical, and in manufacturing. I'd say those are our top three
Right.
areas.
Very, very good, very good. So, Daniel, I don't know if you know this. We have millions and millions of people watching the show right now, all over the world. What's the one thing you want to tell the channel about Star2Star?
Well, hey, thanks. Is that your softball?
You're nervous?
Yeah. So, hey, the one thing to take away from getting to know Star2Star here is, let's take a step back and look at this industry, right? In this business, 20% customer churn is the norm, right? The market leaders in this space, according to the Gartner Group, they're losing 20% of their customer base every year. And nobody wants to completely reevaluate their phone system and do all this over and over, right? So Star2Star, I think, appreciates that. So from the get-go, we design in the call quality and the reliability and the feature functionality set that's going to match the requirements. We make that investment up front. And as a result, our customer retention rate is 99.85%. So it's, people stay with Star2Star once they select us.
Yeah, that's pretty darn flawless. 99.85.
We're in it for the long game.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Okay, so we always close the show with one personal thing, but not too personal. So what is the one thing that not too many people know about you?
Well, let's see. I mean, here we are in Petaluma, right? We're about a few miles north of Berkeley.
We call it Hollywood North, actually.
All right, that
Yeah,
works.
yeah.
That works. So, I was actually born in Berkeley in 1972. So the flowers were growing and
All right.
people were feeling free and creative. So, Fitch is what they named me when I was born. So Fitch Daniel Pitney is my real name. I go by Daniel because I don't want to draw the conversation to myself. This is really about customer success,
Right.
partner success, and I got a brother named North. So, hey, we had a good time.
That's amazing. You heard it here on the Top Gun Show. Thanks for being on our show today.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Right.